Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Udemy's account. To log into your Udemy account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Udemy login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link displayed on the page. It will take you to the login page of Udemy. You can also log into your Udemy's account by using your Google, Facebook, or Apple ID as well. Enter your email address and password associated with your Udemy's account. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. After entering your username or password, click on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password. This is how you can log into your Udemy's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.